Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Meowdoku stop opening after your iPhone automatically offloaded? It is to save storage space or after you cleaned up your storage yourself. Here's exactly what's happening and how to fix it. If your iPhone storage got critically low, iOS sometimes automatically offload apps you haven't opened recently to free up space, which removes the app itself but keeps a placeholder icon on your data. If you tap the placeholder icon, it should automatically re-download the app, but on a slow or unstable connection, this can appear to hang or fail silently. First, go to Settings, then go to General and iPhone Storage, and tap Meowdoku to see if it shows an option to reinstall the app specifically. Tap that, then make sure you're on a strong Wi-Fi connection since offloaded apps re-download faster on Wi-Fi than cellular. If it still won't restart from here, go to your settings, go to your app store, then search for Meowdoku and then tap cloud download icon to manually trigger the same re-download. Since this is an offload and not a full delete, your puzzle progress and setting references should be exactly as you left them once it finishes. So all you've got to do is check iPhone storage for a reinstall app option, use a strong Wi-Fi connection or manually re-download from the app store. Your progress is preserved either way and that's it. Subscribe.